Good morning, children. Let us study about the mangrove forest today. What is mangrove forest? These are also called a tidal forest. Mangrove forests are also called a tidal forest. Especially, we can find the deltaic regions and the coastal areas. Mangrove or the tidal forests are found in the areas of the coasts, especially which are influenced by the tides. Tides occur, which are the coast occur. Tides are experienced in these regions. We can find mangrove forests. So the mud and silt are also get accumulated in such coast. Mud and silt both are accumulated or combined these regions in the coastal regions. So there we can find a dense mangroves are common varieties with the roots of the plants submerged underwater. We can find in the coastal area some of the regions the roots of these plants or the mangrove forests or trees are submerged underwater. We can find that trees are growing, even the roots are also sometimes when tides recede, we can find the roots above the soil or above water can be found here, but its roots are go very deep into the water. Okay, so here some of the regions where the deltas of the Ganga river, Mahanadi and the Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri, these regions we can especially find mangrove forest. Because of the delta regions of these rivers can be found the mangrove forest. So in the Ganga Brahmaputra delta region, most important trees are called Sundari trees. So these regions we can find the Sundarban forest in the West Bengal, that is the largest delta region in the world, also Sundarban delta. So this forest get the name of Sundarbans from the tree Sundari. So Sundari trees are found in this region. These are the trees which provide durable and hard timber. From these Sundari trees, timber is obtained. Palm, coconut, kiora, agar, etc. These are also important trees grown in these delta regions. What is the most important animal? We can find the Royal Bengal tiger, which is a famous animal found in the mangrove forest. Especially we can find turtles, crocodiles, gharials and snakes are also found in the mangrove forest. Different varieties of animals are also found in the mangrove forest. We can find the coastal regions of West Bengal largely mangrove forest. These regions we can find West Bengal and the coastal areas of Bangladesh has the Sundarban Delta. So this is the largest delta in the world and Sundarban's delta has different mangrove forests also existing. Now in the coming class we will study more about the wildlife, or like we have studied the about the plants or the fauna and flora. We are studying in this lesson the important fauna and flora which exist in our country. So more about the wildlife or the animals which are the animals or the fauna exist in our country, we will study in the coming class.